It is my pleasure and honor to welcome you all to 7th International Conference ICACCT 2013 Advanced Computing and Communication Technologies. We are really grateful to have such honored guests and delegates. We are greatly honored to convene this conference and to have all the distinguished national and international members of the industry and academics. This conference aims to bring together the key people in the area to build the knowledge. This 7th International Conference is technically co-sponsored by Computer Society Chapter IEEE Delhi Section. Further, this conference has been first time associated with Ender Science Publishers UK. We have received more than 450 papers from various countries, and out of which 220 papers have been selected for the publication after the rigorous review process. Looking at the conference program, one can say without doubt and hesitation that our accomplished speakers have risen up well to the challenge. The conference is truly privileged to have speakers of highest caliber and sharing their views with all of us. The panel discussions have been facilitated by publication of topics arranged in 8 tracks. These tracks include areas such as computer science engineering, electrical engineering, management, mechanical, instrumentation and measurement, renewable energy, and electronics. The response of the authors have been overwhelming, as it could be witnessed from the program book. I am grateful to thank all of you for being in the conference who have come from near and far places. I would like to thank staff at Apid India who have truly helped us to bring the conference together. Further, I take this opportunity to thank Apid India management and our director sir, Professor Dr. R.K. Chaudhary, without the guidance and support of which it would have been really difficult to achieve this 7th milestone of ICACCT. I hope all of you will enjoy your stay at Panipat, and I look forward to meet you during the course of the conference. With these old words, I thank you to all of you once again.
Thank you, sir, for bringing in a new perspective to the conference.
Chaudhary, Director APIIT ST India, to give the welcome address at the 7th ICACCT meet.
Ji, Managing Director. Sri Vineet Garg, Guest of Honor of this occasion. Sri Sudhir Singla Ji, Chairman APIIT ST India. Sri Iswar Garg Ji, Vice Chairman APIT ST India. Sri Vivek Gupta Ji, Auditor APIT ST India. And lot of academicians, researchers, scientists, ladies and gentlemen, guests are here. I welcome all of you, but definitely I will like to name few remarkable personalities who are here and grace this occasion. Dr. Akhilesh Upadhyay, Dr. Deepak Gupta, Dr. V. Sharma ji, Dr. D. Pandey ji, Professor Abdul Qayyum Ansari ji from Jamia, Dr. Vipul Yadav. Ladies and gentlemen, and if some of the notable personalities, if I have mistaken and I have not taken your name, please sorry me. It's a proud privilege for me to share a few words with you on this auspicious occasion of the 7th ICACCT 2013. If I share a few honest words with this conference, I have a very, very big emotional tangle with this conference. I remember, and few of my colleagues are here who were the helping hands. We dared to organize first time in 2005 the conference. Some ideas came that why not we should do some research and development activities, and conference can be one of the means where you can give the impetus to the